name is Aline. I make Mama makeup. See how his face is so funny. I do like anything I want. I only want to stand. I do like sit on the floor. I do like to sit in the chair. I sit in the chair.
Pakita mo, bros. You tell everyone.
Everyone see I have a brush.
Oh, eyes first.
Oh, so, look at
Bilis na, sige.
it's okay. Sometimes I want like that.
Siya may nag-makeup. Mabuti ka.
Yes, still good. You use your news channel so you
Sige.
Okay.
You tell everyone first. I put like that.
Makeup.
You put what?
Color. Pink. Now I put your eyes. Which one you want color? You want this gold?
You put what you want.
Okay. This I want. Close your eyes. Open your eyes.
Oh my God.
Close your eyes. Sale. Sorry, this is like this before. When you make up it's so funny. Okay.
You tell everyone. You put eyeshadow.
I put eyeshadow and Mama eyes.
What the color?
Open your eyes.
Oh my God. Sige na, bilis. Sige na, bilis. What the next?
Next.
The next is
Here. This and down. That I just have black. Oh, I have black. See, open your eyes. Open your eyes. I got
Oh my
color in the tissue. Mama, sorry, Mama. I can't do it so.
Sa man yun. Mura man tag-ati-atihan, ani. Bilis na. Lain ba kung pinupo?
I get tissue first.
Popo pa mo. Sanawa sabi, ba't sabi na o dili?
Massage channel.
Hello?
Yes.
Wapa?
More. Mama, see? Oh, that's sorry. Sorry, so sorry. What? What? This one? No, the green one. This gray? On the face. Nose? I need more still. What? Wait. Theory. I'm so surprised. Oh my God.
Gabi magkabila sa ulo, mura mo. Bali atong ulo,
No,
ani.
you see.
No.
Wait, to see the other people.
Bagin. This sa kalas. Kala kalas first.
Now down. Nice.
Okay, you tell everyone.
Everyone see Mama's face.
What?
Yeah, I need to clean his face.
Oh my God. Unsa naman ni naon ni? Bro, naglakayan ni Igon Pakman. Opo pa mal. kasi tissue. Luwan ko na ako na.
Wait, saan siya?
Mas? Yeah.
Di ba tagal yung make up ni Mama?
Sus, oh my God. Magkamulat na ganyan.
Uy, wala ka magkaroon sa iyo, Mama. Pagkasama nila kita.
It's okay, sometimes when
Sige na, okay na.
No.
Hindi na, wala kasama nila kita.
Oh, when the man is coming, I
Isa,
stop.
may Mama na.
Like, what?
Nagkwak-kwak. Unsa?
You like what? Because your face is so beautiful, but it's so funny. Because you have red, black eyes, so too much.
Waka na, Mama.
Gwapa ano?
Papa,
Gwapa?
your face is so funny.
Why you make panic?
Sorry.
Ano, sorry? I call to daddy, be. I tell daddy.
No.
Why?
Baba did. What happened? What did that like that?
Sabi, I call to daddy, be.
No.
Ayun na yung Mama. Ayun na.
Be, I call to daddy, be. I tell daddy, Alin, say we make...
No.
Aray ko!
No, but then, if I finish, and when Amani see, you call. Okay?
I tell daddy, shoot my face, what happened? Alin, may wakwak.
Don't.
Alin, sa wakwak, mama. Slapit. Oh my gosh. Ito kayo nga ni makeup na ko.
No need here.
Huh?
No need here because
Sudayin pa, tapos bukusin.
no problem. I don't like.
Ano problem?
Dapat mo, para sa Mama may matos, Mama sa outside.
Ano man ko kasal, wedding.
Sa-
Ano man ko kam sa kamsa.
Oh my God! Don't say everyone like that. Because a dark height, you gonna laughing you. Somebody say you like Mommy Minette. I want to see you.
Nadin mo tanda.
I don't know.
Minsan nag-make up. Ay, make up. Oh, ikaw na yun. Ay, gusto mo din naman. Make up ay gusto mo.
But how about Mama? She always.
Oh, wala na si Mama. Din Mama din na mag-make up. Ikaw na.
I come to daddy na.
No. I have to do that. Come back. Amani.
Bali na
It's time to make hairdo. Wait a minute.
Oh my gosh. It's so grip.
Ayan, o si Alin ang iusan na niya akong naon.
Bali make up.
I pick up my doll.
Sige siya kanong kong naon.
Mama, I make up my doll, Mama. Mama, I make up my doll. Okay.
Wait lang, hindi pa natapos. Dali na, tell everyone, mamang na sa wimig. Kasarihan.
Mama, now he make us serious.
Hairdo.
Hairdo with his face. So funny. Hairdo go.
Kanawag, beautiful or no?
But it's so beautiful, but it's so funny. Because your black eyes.
Oh, yun.
I got too much.
Ay, ba?
I want to make up.
Ito dito kasi kung Mama.
Tingnan ko kung silpon.
Magitong ba?
Okay. How about the hairdo?
The hairdo is not yet.
What?
Yeah.
Okay. Sabi? Wow! Batikon. Wow!
Your hair is like that. People like my friend before.
The hair is beautiful. The makeup is batikon.
The hair is beautiful. The makeup is
But
batik mo.
he's so funny. I want to make up my doll, Mama.
Daddy.
Why? Because you choke.
Itong nangyari sa mata daw guys kasi lagi nagpupupo. Sulta sa mata. Palagi ko yan.
What do you mean? It's a lot of troublemaker.
Shoot my hair. Beautiful?
Yeah. Amani. Here, hello, la. Here, hello, la. Hello, but here, your face. And guys, your Mama is finished.
My hair.
So beautiful.
My hair is what?
Beautiful.
How about my face? What it?
I like your face.
Why?
Because I want the.
Dali sa akin, mag-picture sa ta. Okay guys. Yan na guys. Yan yung hair ko guys. Naka-hair ko na guys. Thank you. Si Shukran.
Shukran, Mama.
Shukran. Okay, bye na guys.
Bye, guys.
Thank you for
Thank
watching.
you for watching my channel. It's my Mama Makeup.
Okay, ask everyone maybe You ask Tita Banji, Tita Banji and Tita Joy, maybe you want makeup? I make
Yeah,
makeup.
I would. You want makeup? I can make makeup for you. You want to seem like Mama and so funny face?
Bye guys. Thank you for watching.